This conference will now be recorded.
Everybody can see my screen, right? Okay. So today we are going to learn about the curve shapes. Okay. So what happened in the last class? I told you people to do the poster design. Okay. So poster designs you have to take A4 size, horizontal or vertical. Okay. If you take vertical means it will come like this. Vertical, according to the vertical size only we have to make the designs. So I have taken the horizontal option. See, horizontal option which is in the A4 size. Okay. So you can take a different option also. We have the banner size, visiting card size, many of the options are there. So poster design we have to start with the A4 size. You can do more than that also. A4 size, next to that A3 size will come. Okay. So bigger size. Okay. Otherwise, according to the customer, according to the whatever the orders you are getting from the customer, so they are telling any option like big posters, movie posters, sizes and all you can see outside, cutouts and all. So it is having different sizes and all. So according to that you can give the own measurements here. You can give own measurements like 500 by 900 by 400. Those are the measurements we can give it. But you have to take, I have given one topic called this watch image. Okay, so wristwatch, smartwatch, any of the watches you can take it, and with the branded, any of the brand. Of course, it is having one brand always. So you have to take the brand of the logo of that brand, and you have to add some catchy lines over here. Okay. So here I have given the drop shadow, everything I have used it. You people also have to use that because I have already teached you people all these options, drop shadow, contour and all these options. Okay. So I am not asked you people any assignment from you people. These are the effects, right? So that's why everything you have to show it in this poster design only. Okay. So yeah, even for this you can use the contour also. I will select this one and go to this contour and see here. Okay, for this shape it will not take. Any other shape, circle and all, you can use the contour option for this. Drop shadow I already given. I'll just take a duplicate copy of this, and in that only if you want to give some other color. Okay, see like this. Everybody can see my screen, right? Nobody is answering. What happened? Okay. Okay. This is the thing you have to all these options see here. So always you have to use a ruler here. See, whenever you are taking, just give how much, half inch is enough. So this is the half inch. Can you see here 0, 0 2? Here right click on this ruler setup. Here you will go to this ruler setup and how much inches you want. Okay. So here we have an option 0. Okay. So according to the A4 size, it is taking only half inch. Look at here. Okay. If we'll go to view and we have to see the output means we have to go to here view. In that option view full screen preview. Full screen preview means you can see the like this is the final output. Final output before giving printing This is the final output. Exactly like if you are taking the printout, exactly the same colors are coming. Exactly whatever the shadow we have given, any outlines, nothing which is not coming here. This is the final output. I'll just escape it. And here, when you are taking this here, always you have to take the half inches. Ruler setup, and I'll just make it this one 0. Keep it everything 0. See, half of the inches. You can take only this much only. Okay. See, everywhere you have to give the space, half inches. Okay. So this much, because when you are doing this printing, so that time they are cutting the pages, so that's why you have to give always this much space. Okay. If this color, if it is cutting means okay, but if the image is cutting means we have a problem. If the text or some of the things it is going to cut means we'll have a problem. Look at here, this color means it is okay because we have the color here also. If the Y is going to cut means then it is a problem. Okay. Yeah. Look at each and everything. See here, it is not done properly. See here, look at here. And finally, we have to use the crop tool. So crop tool, we will select everything, and how much ever this A4 size is there, so that much only, just zoom it and look at here. So enter. So outside whatever the area is there, extra area is there, it will cut. So those parts we don't want those things and all. It is not necessary. So that time, okay. So we have to use the crop tool. Okay. Double click on the text, and I want whoever did the verse today, Sadia and okay, Sadia did the work, and the Urvashi and the Basha. See here, what and all did here. Sadia, you sent me one more image now. See what I am saying. Whatever the what image you have taken here. Wait, I'll go to here. So file, import. See, you have to keep it in one corner like this. So now what you have to do, you have to close. See, this is the heading, upper part is the heading, and down we have to add some offer or something. Otherwise here in between we can add the offer. Sadia, what I am saying, make a box here, make a box here, then add the color, order to back of layer. Like this only you have to take it. Like this only you have to take it. By the time what happened, one portion is completely got colored. Okay. So this is the area. So now you have to start. What is the things? So exclusive. Okay. I'll add one more box here. See again. Sadia, you have to watch this. So you have to add this box. So now what I'll do, I'll go to this eyedropper, color eyedropper tool. See whatever the colors we have. Let me check the gold color. Okay. Otherwise any darker color also you can take it. I will go to this eyedropper and I will select the color, and here it is looking like this. Okay. And here you have to do the options. You have to add the things, exclusive luxury collections. Okay. So whenever you are adding the text, okay. So here use a proper font. See, selection. Okay. So like this, you are taking. You can add the capital letter also. See, give the proper text. See, don't take this kind of text. We are not able to read this kind of text. And whenever we are giving for the printing, it will not come properly. Okay. So like this, which is having white color. Okay, how come it is closed? The file got closed. Okay, so we'll go to the new file only. Better. Yeah, it is not there. Okay, file got closed and I'm not saved the file. So what you have to do, Sadia? So you have to take the image, okay, in the A4 size. So you have to follow the rulers. Always you have to follow the rulers. You have to give the 2 inches gap always. So everywhere you have to give the 2 inches gap like this. Okay, you should not do till this page ends. Okay, you have to give 2 inches gap. See, if you zoom it, you can see the inches here. Otherwise, when you will take the new file, so that time only you can add the number of pages, and width height you have to divide it. Otherwise, we can go to here. There is an option called page setting. Page setting option also is there. Otherwise, you can go to here. Ruler setup option also is there. So make it 0. And here we have an option horizontal, vertical, how much ever you have to give it. So 0.5. So if I give 0.5, and here also we can give it option. So like that automatically it will set. Okay. So 0.5 I have given, only this horizontal I have given 0.5. So like that automatically you have to take it like this only. So always what you have to do, you have to take the image, whatever the image. So take a good quality images. Internet you will get a very good quality of the image. Okay. So take any of the good quality image. Okay. So and just observe whatever the colors which is having. So take it here like this. You have to take it and see this background. I don't want this much means what you have to do. You have to use the envelope tool and just make whatever the designs you want. You just take it like this. And now you have to add the text. Now here right side there is empty space here, left side also empty space, in the top also we have empty space here. Now just cover up how much ever area we want, just cover up with this boxes. Okay, so with this boxes you can cover up it. Okay, so we have the color eyedropper tool. So go to this sky color, light color. Otherwise you can go to here. See color eyedropper tools. Frequently it will not work. Immediately it will not work. See again you have to go to this move tool, and you have to go to this eyedropper tool and pick the color and just add it for this. Okay, remove the outline. Always you have to remove the outline for this. you have to remove the color of this. Otherwise, go to here, just whatever the colors which is the light or darker. See, look at here, the whatever the image I have taken, the background is already having the dark color. So that's why we have to take the lighter color over here. Okay, see here, you can reduce the image size. Okay, how much ever, because you need to add more content, means we need more space here. So now I am highlighting this image in the middle. So now, yeah, whatever the text she is message, no, so those kind of things we can add it here. Exclusive collection or something, collection. Okay, so otherwise any brand option also you can give it. So I need more text. Okay, I don't want with the image with one single text. Okay, see image, whenever you are placing the image, with that I need a text everywhere. Okay, you have to give so many offers, there is a sale, and what are the features are there in this thing, what is the new feature, those things and all you have to add it. Okay, see this kind of text we are not able to read it properly, so just to give proper text. See here, I will add the brand name in the right side. See if I'll keep the text like this. See here, when you zoom it, what is the file size? See, whoever did like this, see the file size, it is coming how much big. When you will take the printout, can you see my laptop screen? So it will come that much big, means the text will be this much big. You can see, right, this is a A4 size, you will get the text will be this much big only. So if you will add less contents, means if you will add very less text, means what happened, your the space will be more, the empty space will be more. Okay, so that's why what you have to do, you have to add more text. Okay, so the company name Seco. So what I'll do, try to copy the same kind of the text. See here I have added, see this text should not be, this text should not be bigger than the logo. Okay, we have to highlight this logo. Now I can use the different color here. So this is a different option. We can add with the different text over here. Okay, different color. Otherwise what you can do it, add the text here also. Down also can add it. So that time you have to reduce the size of this. Okay, anywhere you can do it like this. Company name, brand name, with that you have to add the text properly. Okay, so today I am not going to show you again this poster design. Okay, I want assignment from you people. Okay, because last class I have shown you people, anybody who is asking me, ma'am, I want one more time the assignment. So then again I will show you people the poster design, because I have to go to the curve shape today. Anybody who are asking me again, I have to show the poster design. Anybody who is having any doubt? Prapujita, Sharvani, yeah, tell me. Anybody who is having, Yeah, you need one more time poster design. Any doubts you people have?
Yes, yes, ma'am. Can you show the design once again?
So what happened to the assignment last class? You not understood whatever the poster design I have made it.
No, ma'am. Actually, last class I came late from the college. So I could not attend class. So once again, can you explain that?
Yes, but you are seeing my video, right? Whatever was under the video recorded, we are putting in
Hi.
the group itself. Yeah, you have to do the assignment, right? After watching that. So what is the doubt
Yes,
you people
ma'am.
have? Huh?
But
Pankaj,
actually,
huh? Tell me. Tell me, Prapujita. Yeah.
when I did that thing, it used now I can't download the software, ma'am. So it's taking the computer and now it's getting late.
So you have problem with the software?
Yes, ma'am.
So if the problem with the software, we cannot do anything. Okay, you have to download the software and you have to submit me the work. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm. What about other people? Anybody need one more time? Urvashi Pal, yeah, you tried it. Noor Afra, Janani,
No, ma'am, we'll do it, ma'am.
we'll do it, ma'am. You go to the other
I
option,
have a
ma'am.
video, ma'am.
Okay, okay, fine, fine, fine. Then we'll go to the curve shape. Okay, so you have to take this kind of measurements and color combination, everything is important. Okay, send me in the group itself whatever the assignment you are doing. Okay, okay. So we'll go to the curve shape today. Okay, so we have an option here. Please write it down all these options. They are very important, very much important. See here, this is the freehand tool, 2 point line tool, Bezier tool, pen tool, B-spline tool, polyline tool, 3 point curve tools. So using this tool only, what we are going to do, we have to do the all difficult logos using the curve shapes, means using the curve shape what are the logos we can do it. Twitter logo, Apple logo, and we have to use a Pepsi logo. So these are the logos we have to do it using the curve shapes, any cartoon designs, everything we have to do it with this kind of the tools. Okay, so please write it down these many options, because in some of the like different version, CorelDraw latest version, you are not getting all these tools. Maybe one or tools are extra you are getting, and the same tools you people are not getting. Okay, so pen tool it will be there always. Pen tool and Bezier tool is very important. So it will be there always. Other tools are there, B spline and polyline tools and all. It won't be there. Please check it in other systems. So you have to write it down these options. Okay, freehand tool, 2 point line tool, Bezier tool, pen tool, B spline, polyline and 3 point curve. And you can check it in your system who is having new versions, and you can tell me like whether everything is there or not. Okay, so we have freehand tool. Okay, freehand tool. Why we are using the freehand tool? Mainly to do the drawings. Okay, so freehand tool. So you have to press left key and you have to make the drawings like this. Okay, any of the drawings. Okay, so which are we have to use it using the freehand tool. But the problem is we'll go to the shape tool and we can zoom it and we can do the changes of these shapes. Whatever the shapes we have, we want to change it, we can change it like this. Okay. See, only the work area is how much it is there, only that much only printing will come. See, whatever the things it went outside, it won't come. Okay. So here I'm just showing you people. So this is the freehand tool. Freehand tool, what happened? I'll just delete it. Okay. So how it will come? It is like a pencil tool. Okay, like how we are doing the sketching with this pencil. So like that only. So left the mouse I'm using left click and here see here. So like this I'm left it like this and again I have to left leave it and I'm not leaving there now. Where I have started I will end there only. Okay. So these are the nodes. These are the points what we are seeing. Those are the nodes. Okay. I'll click on this shape tool. Shape tool, why we are using the shape tool? To do the changes of the shapes. So look at here. We are doing the changes of the shapes. See now here one more point is starting here. Okay. So using this you can bend it how much ever you want. You can bend it. Okay. How much ever you can use it this like this. Okay, see here. But I cannot give the color. If I have to give the color means I have to go to this selection tool, pick tool and I'll give the color. Okay, so I'll just give whatever the color. It is not taking the color. What is the problem? So what we are added this line, we are calling path. These are the path. Path means the lines. Okay, these are the lines we are calling in the CorelDraw. That is the path. Okay. So here what is the problem is there is a gap over here. Okay. So this is the starting point. Here we have the starting point here. And again I started from here and I have ended here. Okay. Again I started from here and it is ended here. Okay. So we have to join these 2 points. So then only it will take the color. I'll go to the shape tool and can you see this mark? I will select this one and I will end it like this. See, it is taking the color. Later you can do this design properly. Okay. Yeah. Otherwise, starting itself you have to give the shape properly. So for this tool you have to use it properly means you have to be very good in the drawing. Who is having anybody like having the hobby of this drawing, so they can use this option. Like for them it will be easy. Okay. So what who are from drawing background, so they can use it. But drawing with a pencil is easy, but doing in the system it is difficult. Okay. So like that using this kind of tool we can using the freehand tool we can do the drawings. Okay, so any of the curve shapes. So I am also from drawing background, but the thing is it is easy to do it in the system. It is easy to do in the paper, but in the system it is difficult. See here, in the system it is difficult. So we are not able to do it, but it is not taking the colors properly, all these options. So we have to join this point. See here 2 points are there. Then only it will take the color. So we have to click on this point and see here. Still it is not joined. You have to end it here. See here. You have to join it like this. So then only we can give the colors. Whatever the colors we want, we can give it. So now what is the problem? Suppose if I give color for this, yeah, it is not taking. Why? Because this is having some parallel line. Here also this is also having the parallel lines. So what you have to do? See here, this is separate area and this is again separate area. So what we have to do? We have to join separately each and everything. So then only it will take the color. Look at I'm keeping side like this. And I will go to this again this tool, freehand tool, and look at here whether we have to draw join the same option. See here whether we have to join it like this. Still it is not taking. See this point is not taking. Yeah, let us see whether it is taking or not. Again from here to here if we add the line maybe it is taking. Let us see. Let me give the color. See. It is not taking. Somewhere it is not joined. See. It is not joined, it is not taking actually. Click on this point, just make this shape properly and let us see. If it is joining means automatically it will take the color. So it is. So otherwise one time only you have to do the drawing. Okay. So otherwise what you people have to do? You have to take the square or in the Bezier this freehand tool easily you have to make it like this and you have to join it. So together now it has become one single shape. Correct? So now it will take the color. Yeah, see it is taking the colors. So what I will do? Right click on this, order to back of layer. Okay. So now whatever the shapes you want, you can do the changes of the shapes and all. See now you can do the shapes and all here itself. The tree, any modifications you have to make, any curve shapes and all you have to make it. So those things are roughly first you have to add the designs. Then you can take the curve shapes. You can select one point here and you can change it later. Okay. So this is the thing what we have to do it with the freehand tool. Freehand tool mainly for the drawing. Okay. Anybody having any doubt? Freehand tool mainly for the drawing we can use it. Okay. So easy tool we will go according to the measurement neatly we have to do means we have to go to the other shape. Okay. So I will come back for other options and all. I will go to the 2-point line. Next one is the Bezier tool. Okay. First I will go to the 2-point line. Okay. Why we have to use the 2-point line? Just to add one single line. Just to add single line, we have to use the 2-point line. Okay. See the line is not straight. So for that, what we have to do? We have to shift, hold shift, press the shift and add the line. Can you see the straight line? See it is coming the straight line. And here we have an option here. We can increase the thickness of the outline and whatever the arrows we can use it. Okay. So any of the options we can use it for this. Okay. Back side arrow, front arrow, any designs for the rule this line. So all these options we can use it. Okay. Thickness of the outline also we can reduce it. Okay. Yeah, like this we have an option. Okay. So what I am saying, this is just a 2-point line. 2-point line, when you are adding 2-point line, you have to hold shift and left click. Okay, then you will get a one straight line. So you can do it in any way, horizontal way, vertical way. You have to press shift and you have to add the straight line. Okay, so like this you can select it and you can add outline like this. Everything is joined together. So it is combined. This is the option for combining. See whatever the small option I am teaching you people in the CorelDraw, you have to try all the options. See here. So this is the option. Again it is coming here also. This is a join, weld, combine options, trim everything. So you have to try those options also. Okay. So next I will go to the Bezier tool. So this is very important tool, Bezier tool and pen tool. Using this only we are creating complete curve shapes. Curve shapes, any of the logos we are creating with this tool only. See whatever the curve shapes drawing. See any of the logos we are using curve shapes. Okay. So even text also we can create it. We can create a different text. Okay. Using this curve shapes itself. See all this then we are making with the curve shapes. So some of the text we want a different kind of a text, okay, which is not available. So with the text we have to add the color here. So that time we have to create our own text. Okay, so these are the things we can create it with the curve shape tool only. Okay, that is called Bezier tool. Okay, so it is little difficult. Okay, so this is a curve shape. This is a tool that we can do the curve shapes. First we have to select one point here. We have to select one more point here, and you should not leave your hand. I'm just pressing this left key and make it like this. Okay, that's why I told you people you have to finish. See, basic CorelDraw is finished till now. Okay, basic, using the basic tool, you people have created the logo designing, visiting card designing. Only some few people have did all this work, and I want the poster design. Okay, so till now basic tools are done. Now we have to use the advanced tool. Advanced tool means using the curve shapes we have to create some difficult logo designing. Okay, so now I'll press left key and you have to add the curve shape like this. Okay, so now I want to give the color means where I have started there itself I have to end this. So if I click on here, can you see here the curve shape bending option, it will come. So Control Z, I don't want that bending option, I want straight line over here. So what I'll do, double click on this, see, it will cut. See, if this node will be there, anchor points will be there, it will not, okay, come properly. So now what I will do, see, I can add the straight line. I will go back here straight, and where I have started I will end there itself. Okay, see, where I have started I will end there only. It will take the colors, whatever the colors I want, it will take the color. Okay, so I'll show once again whatever the shapes you will take. So here I'll add one point here. Left click, I'm using left click in the mouse. I'm not leaving the mouse. Okay, left click and I'm holding the left click, and you have to use it like this. See, from here, see, left click, it is little difficult in the online for you people, little difficult to learn all these things. Okay, so but you people have to try all this option. Okay, see, you have to take, I'm not leaving the mouse, left key I'm holding still. So I have added the point, I'm moving this thing here, and look at here, I'm adding one more point here. See here, it is like stitching. So you people have to drag how much ever things you want, you have to drag it like this. So I'm not clicking anywhere. If you click anywhere means it will go like this. If you click anywhere it will go like this. So what I have to do, I have to cut this point. See, it is having two anchor points. Anchor points means it is having two antennas are there. Two antennas are, one is in here down, one is in the up. I want to cut here, downside antenna I want to cut. If I will not cut means it will come like this. Again curve shape will continue. I don't want curve shape anymore. So I want a straight line here. So we cannot add the straight line. Otherwise you cannot go out of this tool. Because you have started this, you have to end it. Otherwise it is become as a one single line. Just a curve it will become. It will not take color, nothing. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll double click. Can you see this point? Double click on this point. You have to cut this point and click on here and click on here, and I will end it where I have started. Okay. So I'll just give the color. Whatever the colors I want, I'll give the color. Okay. Suppose you want to do any changes. Okay. Any of the shape you want to do the changes. Go to the shape tool, and here we have an option. Look at here. So any of the shapes you want to do the changes of this, you have to hold this point and you have to do the changes of the shapes. So you can hold this shape and see, now I don't want this shape. Like this you can do the changes of the shape. Any of the points here, antenna, two antennas are there. Any of the antenna, this arrow marks, you have to hold it and you have to make the changes of this. See, all kind of logo we have to use this kind of shapes only. Okay. So here. Suppose we have to add extra anchor points. Suppose we have to add the extra anchor points. So we have to click on here. Okay, I'll press here. Okay, click on this point. Okay, double click on this. We have one more anchor points we will get. Okay, so one more anchor points we will get here. Double click on this. Okay, we will get one more anchor points. Okay, so now you can do the changes with this. Okay, we have two antennas here, so we have to click on this blue option and we have to make the changes of the shapes. Okay, so Control Z, it will not go back much. Okay, so like that, whatever the shapes you want, you can add it. So I will go to this one, Bezier tool, the third option, Bezier tool. First freehand we have, next 2-point line tool we have, next one is the Bezier tool. Okay, so any of the shape, first click on here, 1 point and one more point here, left click, and we should not leave the point, and we have to make it like this. Okay, then add how much ever you want. Otherwise, no, I am unable to take this means you can add small points here, small points. Like this also, you can add the points like this. Okay, so this will be useful when you are doing the web banner designs, again poster designs, pamphlet designs. So you people are sending me assignment on the same day. I can teach you more things. Okay. Otherwise, I will understand that you people are not able to understand my class. Okay. So yesterday's whatever the assignment on the same day it will complete it. So by the time I can teach you people more logo designs, difficult logos and all. I can teach you and you can learn more options. Okay. So like that we have to add the color for this. So you can do the using the shape tool, you can do the changes of this. Any of the things you can do the changes of this. Okay. If you don't want this outline, none. I will give the outline. Control D. Take a duplicate copy of this and order to back of layer. See this. Okay, so like this, when I am doing the poster designs, for that time we will come back for this. Okay, anybody having any doubt with this tool? Anybody having any doubt? So what I will do, I will import one image. So I have downloaded some of the logos here. Pepsi logo I have, Twitter logo I have, Apple logo I have. Okay, any of the difficult tools we have to copy the same thing. Any of the difficult logos are here. So I will go to here, file, import. So I am importing the image, file, import, and I will take this Apple logo, import. Okay. So I have imported this Apple logo. Yeah, I will take this image. So now I have to copy the same logo. Now I have to do the same logo. I have to trace it. Okay, I have to copy the same shape. Okay, so what I will do, I will go to here, go to this Bezier tool and I will change the outline color. See, if I am having the same black color outline means I am unable to recognize it here, correct? So I will go to here, outline color. So I will click on this outline. Okay, starting itself, I will take the outline color. I will go to, I will just go, you can select, yeah, just give OK. and here we have an options. Any color later you can change it. So what I will do, I want to copy the same thing. So I will go to this Bezier tool and I will select one point here. You have to start it. Start. This is a different shape. This leaf kind of a shape is different, and here down this shape is totally different. This is completely grouped. This down part is completely grouped, and this leaf is totally different. Okay. So there are two different things are here. Okay. First I'll start with the this apple shape. So I'll go to click on one point here. Okay. I'll click here and here the same thing I have to copy it. Can you see the blue line? So on that itself you have to copy this here. Okay. Can you see everybody? There is a outline, blue line outline is coming here. I am copying the same shape. Okay, I am copying the same shape. So again you can click wherever the points here. Again Control Z. So just copy the same shape. So you have to click on this point, that's all, and you have to bend it little bit. You have to bend it because you need that curve shapes. So you have to add this point over here. Okay, like this. Later, whatever the small any mistakes are happened, that you can do the changes with that. Okay. See here. Now you're not able to make the proper curve. So that time what you have to do? You have to double click on this node. See, this one antenna should go, only one antenna should be there. So what you have to do? You have to add it like this, curve shape. Okay, see here. Inside this only you have to add the shape. Don't go this thing. You have to add the curve shapes in the black, whatever the shapes, apple shape is there. There itself, on that only you have to add the shape here. So like this. See, I'm taking the point over there. Here, where how much ever you want, you can bend it. Okay. So I will just node, double click on this. So it will cut. Why I should do the cutting? See, if I do next shape, it will come like this. So double click on this point, it will cut. Okay. So now what I have to do, like this point. Now look at here, there's a big curve is there. Okay. So let us see if I'll give half of this one shape. Okay. Next, again you can add one more point over here. See, it is coming automatically. Yeah. Again one more shape. It should, the curve should come continue like this only. Now if I'll add like this, it will come like this. Okay. So what you have to do? You have to cut this point. Double click on this. You have to cut this point and here. Okay. So where you have started, now again, see, it is not taking curve shapes. So that time you have to cut this point and you have to add this. Okay. Again, if it is okay, you can add this curve shape. Otherwise, come back, Control Z, and again I will cut this point and click on this. See, it is not coming properly. So by the time you just zoom in and zoom it, there is a problem with the graphic card. Sometime you will have this problem. See, look at this. Okay. So that is okay. You can do the changes of this shape, no problem. So now it is joined. Okay. So if you are not happy with any of the shapes here, so you can go to the shape tool. Again, go to the shape tool and you can do the changes of this here. Here some of the points which is having the problem here, this one, yeah, see, any of the problems are there. So this is the problem we are getting. Those shapes and all you can do the changes. See here, no problem. Those small things and all, no problem. anybody who is doing which is not coming like this and all, so that you can do it like this only. You have more points means you can bring it here and you can do the changes. No need to delete anything. Okay, no need to delete anything. If already some student today you people are going to do this, so that time you are facing any problem. Already the curves are not coming proper. So that time you can do with this shape tool and you can do the changes. Anything which is coming like this. So those kind of things you can slowly you can do the changes like this. Slowly you have to hold this anchor points and each and every anchor points and you have to do the changes. Otherwise, some of the bendings are missing. Suppose I have added the bendings here. It is come like this. Something problem happened. You can add the points here. So double click on this. You can add the point here. So double click on this. Double click on this path, this line. You can add the points. Wherever you want, you can add the points. If some points are missing, so that time you can add the points over here. Okay. When I'm doing this Bezier tool, like this it has happened. So I want to do some any shapes changes here. So that time I'll go to this Bezier tool and if I want I can add the points here. Double click on this, you can add the point here. See, double click on this. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Using the shape tool only you can add the point, no need to go to the Bezier tool. So using the shape tool you can add one extra points here. See here, shape tool, you can add the extra point here. Again double click on this, you can add one extra point over here. See some points if it is missing means you can add the point over there. Okay, first you have to copy the same logo. No need to experiment with the different logo. So whatever I am teaching in the class, the same thing only you have to do. Okay, so now I will give the different color. Okay, so this is my Apple logo design. Okay, so now whatever the shapes which is left here, this is the shape I have to copy it. This one. So I'll go to here, Bezier tool. I will select one point over here and one point over here and click on here. So now I want to make a leaf shape. See, it's so easy. Okay, same thing. Any color you can give it. The Apple logo which is having the black color only. So what I will do? So now in the background, what we have in the background? We have the image in the background. So this is my Apple logo and this is the image. So just zoom it. See, if you add it, look at this. Can you see here? The curve shapes, how it is there here. It is not come nicely like that. Neatly one line curve shape it should come. So that time I have to remove some points here. Can you see here? Because of this extra points. Okay. So whenever you are doing this thing, add it, no problem. Add how much ever points you want. Later when you don't want it, so let me check whether I can remove this point or not. So I'll go to this shape tool. Let me check. I'll select this one. I'll just delete it. Okay, understood, right? So I will select this point. I'll click on this and I'll press in the keyboard delete option. So I'll select like this. There is a point over here. I will delete it. Now what happened? Can you see here, everybody? The same curve shape I got it. The same curve shapes. Okay, I'll select like this and I'll add the things over here. So I got the same curve shapes. So from today onwards, all your assignments will increase. So I'll just select this one and just add the curve shape here. See, look at here. So if you face any problem, see, there is a solution for that problem also. If the shape is not coming proper, okay. So click on this point. There's a problem with this point. Just delete it. Delete it. Problem problem with this point. Yeah, there's some unwanted points are added. If you delete it also, not able to delete it. Anchor points also I'm not getting. Yeah, I'm not getting the anchor points. Slowly, some of the things you have to remove. This is so many anchor points are there. If you delete it also, you'll have a problem. See here. So slowly, smoothly, you have to solve the problem like this. Because again, once again, we cannot do the designs. See, we have to. Okay. See, the shape has come. Okay. Now we cannot remove the points over here. Okay. So here we need the curve shape here on the left side. Exactly how the curve is here, the same thing only it is appearing here. So and whatever the extra points are here, look at here. So extra points while you people are doing the this thing, that time you can keep it. Later, if you don't want, then just see the shape is coming properly. And look at this. And see all this is a sharp shape only. So later extra points will be there, just remove it, those points. Okay, not necessary. These are the points not necessary. Okay, see exactly the same curve has come. Now I'll select it like this. Okay, see here, not necessary. Some of the points are not necessary. I cannot remove this point. Okay, yeah, it is coming nicely, no problem. See here. Okay, I'll try to remove this point also. Yeah, it is not removing. Okay, I have to solve this problem means, yeah, it is not solving. Okay, while we have to, when we are doing the design itself, we have to make it proper. So slowly we have to select this option and this anchor points. It is not taking. Okay. Okay, so this is the apple design. So still the curve in the left side, you should little bend it. Okay. See, that time we need a point here. That time we need a point here. Little bit we have to do the bending of this. See here. So that time we have to do any changes means. So that time we need a point here. See. Okay. According to, please try to copy the same thing first. Don't do any changes. If you do any changes, you're not able to do like any corrections you want to make, it means you're not able to find it. Okay, so just copy the same thing. Okay. So later we will do the perfections, and I want this work, and 4 days before I have given the poster design. That also I want it today itself. Tomorrow before class starting, I want all the work. Anybody having any doubt with this tool? Yukti Sharma, Meghna, Prapujita, anybody having any doubt with this Bezier tool? With the Bezier tools only we have to do all kind of works, cartoon designs, any of this, all this Pepsi logo, all these works we have to do it with the Bezier tool itself. Anybody having any doubt? Urvashi Pal, Janani, Noor, are you people are there in the class?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
No
Is,
doubts, ma'am.
is it easy?
Yes, ma'am.
So when I'm taking class, that time you people are telling it's easy, ma'am. But I'm not getting any assignment from you people. So if you are giving me assignment, then only I could understand that you can easily can do this work. Sadia, can you do this today? Archana KP, Shweta,
Yes, ma'am.
Shweta, can you do that? Shweta is there in the class. Debasha, Lavanya Agarwal.
Yes, ma'am.
Somebody left. Okay. Oh, you already tired. Okay. Okay. So like that only. What you have to do later, you can delete this image. No problem. Okay. Later, you can remove this. Okay. So what you have to do? You have to take the shapes. Any of the shapes it is not coming properly. So you have to do the changes like this. So you have to right click on this rename. Okay. Rename the page. Rename it as a Apple logo. Okay. You have to rename it like this. Apple logo. Okay. So like that we have to work with the different. Just make a group of this. Okay. So both the things you have to select it together and you have to press Ctrl G. So then it is grouped. Okay. Now so it is grouped. Okay. So Ctrl G, it is group here. Otherwise you can go to here option layout. Yeah, we have an option in the object. There is an option called group and ungroup. Okay, please use the shortcuts itself. These are the very simple shortcuts. Copy, paste, group, layers, all the simple options. Try to use the shortcut itself. Group and ungroup. Okay, ungroup if suppose you want to change the color of this. So that time you can make the changes of this. Okay, so like this you have to make the logo designs like this. Okay, so next we have to do the one more logo design. Okay, so before that okay, so next class I want from you people same Apple logo design only I want. You have to download the Apple logo. Here I have downloaded good quality, good resolution image. See when you open like this, when you take it in, when you import it to CorelDraw, so always it will come like this. When you import it to CorelDraw, so it will come with the good quality itself. Okay, any of the logo file import it, so it will have a good quality of the logo. So next class I will show you people Twitter logo design. Okay, Twitter logo designs I will show you people. So before that I want to see you from you people the Apple logo designs. If Apple logo design it will come nicely, so then it will be easy for Twitter logo design. Okay, so all the same with the curve shape itself, all the curve shapes only I have to make it. So all this Pepsi logo I have, Google I have. So next we have to make the pamphlet designs. All these things we have to take it. Visiting card design also using these curve shapes. We have to create the visiting card designs. All designs now we have to use only curve shapes. Okay, till now we are using only the basic options with the circle, square, only this many options only we have used. Okay, now we have to use all the curve shapes itself. Okay, so whatever the logo I have created, for this only you can add the extrude, drop shadow, blend, any of the options you can use it. So for this I want to add this 3D option, means we can add this curve shapes. Now I will select it like this. It will give the color like this, then only you can easily find out like this. You have multiple options are there. Okay, so I'll go to this 3D options. Yeah, you can see now which side it is looking nice. Okay, so you can do it like this. This will consider as a 3D logo now. No, because before it is a 2D. 2D means what happened? You will have a flat image. In when you are doing the 2D logo designs, you have a flat images. Okay. 3D means only you can see the width and height. Okay, you can see only the width and height. There is no depth will be there. Okay. 2D. What is the difference between the two-dimensional image and three-dimensional image? Two-dimensional image means you can see only the height and width. Okay, there is no depth will be there. Okay, here you can see the depth, how depth it will be. Okay, how much depth it will be. So that is the, it is considered as now 3D image, 3D logo designing. Okay, so like this, how much ever you want, you can add the like this. Okay, for this also separately we have to add the. So I want from you people just make a Apple logo design. With that we have to add the 3D. Till now you people are not shown me any of the 3D things. Okay. So that also you have to do it. Okay. Yeah, like this. You will get the shading. If you add the outline, then okay, so once you will given the 3D, again if you give the drop shadow means it will, yeah, come like this. You have to decide what you people have to do, whether you have to add the drop shadow or not. Okay, okay. Some of the logo names you can add it. Okay, otherwise you can add the heading like this, logo design. Otherwise you can add the Apple, any of the Samsung, any of the logo things you can add it. See, these are the symbols I'm showing. The till now you people are doing the logo with the symbols. Till now you people are, one second. One second, girls. Okay, so what I will do for this, any of the logo designs heading you have to make it. Till 4:30 I have class. Okay. So what I'll do, I will select this and I will add the any of the text over this. Okay. For that I will go to any of the options you can add it. For this you can add the drop shadow for this. For this you can add the drop shadow and here. Okay. So like this you have to make a logo design like this. Everybody you have to give me the same Apple logo designs because I want to see the, okay. Anybody having any doubt with this? Anybody can't do with this Apple logo? Anybody having any doubt? Janani, can you do this Apple logo? Prapujita? Debasha, can you do this Apple logo? Is it easy or difficult? Archana KP? Okay, so whatever the effects I have teached you people in the last class, so you have to use it, all this option. Don't use everything, only the extrude and drop shadow options you have to use it. Okay. Okay. Anybody having any doubt? Okay. I'll end the class today.